everybody. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about dragon fruit. Here, this dragon fruit. In this variety, they have many varieties, but this one is the white inside. I know they have the red. Some of them have the red too, and I heard people say they have a yellow inside, yellow dragon fruit too. You see here I picked there's many different color. This one is you see there's more, the colors look nicer. It's pretty. I like this color, and this one kind of yellow. So now let me try cut it, and we try see how it tastes. The different taste, the difference between two of them. So for next time when we buy or we pick on the tree, we can choose which one tastes more better. Okay, let me choose which one. This one, and this one kind of yellow almost. Okay, let's cut it. Let me try this one first. See. Usually people cut like this, or you won't cut like this. Okay, just usually I do because somehow I like it. And just call this one, and then you eat it. Just sweet. Okay, let me put right here, and now let me try this one. Okay, now I try this one like this. You just peel it and then eat. It's sweet too. It tastes almost the same, I think. I think this one tastes sweeter and tastes more better than this one. This one kind of look like crunchy a little bit more than this one. I think this one much better. That's good. Now you can cut. So next time if I going to buy or I pick from the three, probably I pick this one because this one kind of it's crunchier than this one. I guess. Let me see. So if you want to cut to get the store for your guest, you can cut like this. Let's see. Oh. You can cut this way much better. It's the same, but another way you can eat it. This by spoon. It's just okay. If you want to do dishwasher later. That's another way. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, I eat later. See, it's, you can store for your tomorrow desserts or next couple of days. I don't think I have a problem with this. Yeah, see how the skin is so. I think the longer you leave it's dry out, it's more sweeter.